Rodman with Sports Chiropractic, and we just got this in, the Venom from Hyperice, and we're going to be telling you about it today. All right, so the Venom is a adjustable back brace that has got heat and vibration, and a lot of people have heard of Hyperice. They make a really good massage tool called the Hypervolt. They make the Hypersphere. They make foam rollers with vibration, a lot of things with vibration, which helps to relax muscles. So this is a back brace that you wear that gets warm and has vibration in it to give you constant muscle relaxing. So we're going to show it to you today, explain how to use it, and kind of give you our input. Do we like it or not like it? So if you look over here, we've got it charging, and one very important thing it says is to make sure that you charge it for 6 hours before you wear it the first time. And you can see those green lights right there mean that it's charging. If I take that charger out, let's see what happens. It is totally off. All right, one thing here is you want to make sure, we had a patient get one of these from us and she didn't think it turned on. I think maybe because she wasn't holding the on button on long enough. So here's the on button, power on, power off. It takes about 5 seconds to hold it. So this is what it looks like on here, and you can see it's got temperature, low, medium, and high, a start and a stop button. It's got the vibration. It's got a wave vibration, which means that the vibration goes up and down and up and down. It's got a pulse, which means it goes on and off and on and off, and a constant one. And then the bottom is a timer. And you can see right now, I think the 3 lights means it's fully charged. And right here, this button on the bottom, that's the power button. This button right here is a lock button. So you see, if I touch the screen right now, it doesn't work. But if I hit this, you'll see the red light gets brighter, and you'll see it starts going. So we want to hit the stop. All right, so that's the front end. The back end, you can see it has these 4 pods right here, and this is where the vibration and heat comes from. So I'm gonna put it on. You can see it's got a Velcro kind of strap here. I like to put it on, actually, I think this is probably not the way to do it, but I like to do it while it's this way up so I can read it. For today, I'm gonna do it this way just so you can see it better when I have it on. So you're gonna reach around and you're going to pull this strap as tight as you want. Here and then here. So right now it's pretty firm, pretty snug. In our office, we have rigid back braces. The back and the front have hard plastic pieces in there. If you have a really bad spine condition, that is usually a better thing to have. But I think for general support, this is a good one, but it's not really going to give you the support like one of those rigid braces were. So from here, as I showed you before, I can hit the lock button, and I'm gonna hit start, and it could put on 1, 2, or 3 on the temperature. This does get very hot. If you leave it on 10 minutes, you'll see your back will get nice and red. Make sure it says in the instructions to always wear a shirt over underneath the brace so you don't burn your skin. Very important. If you have any neuropathies, any paresthesias where you can't feel your back very well, it's probably best just to put it on a few minutes and then take it off and look and see if your back is red. That would be a good time to stop. So right now I have it on high, and I already feel it getting warm. I think this thing is great if you like to have heat on your back. I wore it all the way home yesterday and felt great on the whole ride. Right here you have the vibration, and you see that I can, if I touch it now, it won't work because it locks itself after about 5 seconds or so. So I have to hit the unlock, and I'm going to change it from wave to pulse, and you can kind of hear it pulsing. So it's vibrating my back right now. And then constant. Oh, it locked again. Constant. So now it's just going the whole time. This is what I kind of prefer. So general theory, when you have vibration on you, the longer you have it on, the more relaxed your muscles get. So that being known, a bad thing would be to wear this right before you go and do exercise for a long period of time, because you're almost putting your muscles to sleep right before you want to use them. So if you're going to have it on for a long period of time, I highly recommend doing a good warm-up if you're going to go to the gym. Activate those muscles, get them ready to be used again, because they're going to get put to sleep from being relaxed for so long. However, if you're just going to the gym and you want a quick activation, vibration for 30 seconds to a minute has been shown to really activate some muscles and give some proprioceptive awareness, or like input to the brain of that body part. So doing it for a short period of time can be really good too, but just make sure you warm up if you're wearing this on the way to the gym. But really good thing to do, actually, I think, on the way, because it gets you nice and warm. So right now it's on constant, and as you see, the last thing, they got this timer on the bottom, and you can't really change the timer that I've noticed, but that goes off, and it seems like it goes off around 10 to 15 minutes. I'm not sure exactly the time, but probably around 15 minutes it shuts off on its own, which is protective for you in case you fall asleep with this thing on, so you don't wake up with a 3rd-degree burn on your back. So it's probably a good idea, because this does get pretty hot. I'm very impressed with the heat. The vibration to me is nice, but it's not as deep. I was thinking it's gonna actually be like something like a massage. It's more just like a constant vibration. Feels almost like a TENS unit. This is what the Hyperice, this is the Hypervolt that they make like this. If you're looking for more of a deep tissue massage, this instrument is definitely better and can get on more areas than just your back. So I would say, if you're looking for a massager, this may not be the tool for you. If you're looking for a really good back brace, I don't think this is the tool for you. I think it's a good back support. It feels nice, probably for work, sitting in your chair. But I think that it's best definitely for muscle relaxation on your back, a little bit of back support, and definitely the heat. If you can do this if you want to. I'm gonna unlock it again, and I'm just gonna turn off the vibration right there, and the vibration is off, but the heat is still on full. So some people like this just to have the heat on. I think that's a great idea, but definitely be careful of overdoing it. It does get very hot. You wanna make sure, if you feel it's too hot, to check your back out. If it's getting red, it's time to take it off. But overall, I give the Venom from Hyperice an A. I think it's a great product. Has a lot of good purposes. I hope this video was helpful for you today. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe button to get more videos like this. Dr. Rodman, have a great day.